Hi guys, welcome to another studio vlog. I figured I'd do an extra studio vlog this week because I had a lot of extra footage from all of the orders that I had to make and pack this past Friday, so here's an extra video for you guys. As you can see, I have a bunch of shipping labels here. I couldn't even hold them up properly to show you guys because there were so many. And sometimes when I have this many orders due in one day, I get a little overwhelmed. So when this happens, I just usually put on a studio vlog, like here I'm watching Fran, and then I'll just find the easiest thing that I can start on, and usually that's preparing my glassine packaging, and I also glue studs while I watch studio vlogs just because it takes me a while and it's a good way to pass the time. And here I'm just showing you some of the orders that I had to get out this day. And if you haven't noticed, my shop's name is Potty Mouth Jewelry, so if you see swear words a lot, that's why, it's supposed to be swear words. And if you're not into that, I do have a second Etsy shop called Peas in Love, but over time, Potty Mouth has actually become my main shop, and I find it pretty fun. I just think it's funny that your full-time job is stamping and making stuff with swear words on it. I got this cute package from Tiny Ladybug Designs. Claudia actually ordered from me a while ago, and she has a shop and she recently started a YouTube, so I just wanted to support her back. Plus her stuff's really cute. I feel bad cutting her sticker. I can just peel it. Okay, there we go. Oh, so cute. Thank you. Thank you so much. So cute. There's all her socials. Actually, now that I'm taking YouTube more seriously, I need to add my YouTube to a business card, or maybe design a new thank you card and tell them to follow me in other places. So cute. Little money bags from Animal Crossing. I've been into Animal Crossing lately, so I wanted to get these. So cute. I'm always amazed by polymer clay. I don't think I have the patience to make such detailed little items out of clay like this. This is like the one I was most excited for. The desserts look so good. They're so detailed. Look at these. I don't eat dairy or eggs, so I'm like just pretending that this is my dairy and egg-free version of the desserts. I'm hoping my husband and I can actually go on a honeymoon soon, so I got these because I wanted to use it for like a little honeymoon travel spread. But who knows when that'll be. Inhale, exhale. This reminds me of Jane the Virgin, when her dad's always like, inhala, exhala. So cute. The amount of detail she puts in her drawings is amazing. Then I ordered these just because, they were late for my birthday, but no, just kidding. I got them so I can send birthday cards to any friends in the future or family. They're so cute. Thank you, Claudia. Everything's so nice. I'm probably gonna lay this out and take a picture for Instagram. I usually pack all of my studs in these boxes, but I ordered them last week and they usually ship pretty fast, but I checked the tracking and it hasn't left the facility for like 3 days. So I guess maybe I'll get them next week. So I have to pack some of the studs in these abnormally big boxes. So if you get your studs in this box, that's why. Now it's Christmas. That's funny. Brightness with all the lights that I usually have on before and then after. Nice. Cool. Thanks, babe. It's the weekend now, and I have some macrame cord that I haven't used in a really long time, so I wanted to play around with the Glowforge and the macrame cord and see if I can make some macrame earrings. So I'm just winging it and testing this out, so you guys can let me know what you think.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling